Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Data science is a rapidly evolving field that leverages various tools and libraries to extract meaningful insights from data. Python has become the go-to language for data scientists due to its versatility and an extensive ecosystem of libraries. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the most popular Python libraries for data science, providing code examples to illustrate their usage. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation and analysis library. It provides data structures like dataframes for efficient data handling and manipulation. Matplotlib is a 2D plotting library that produces static, animated, and interactive visualizations. It is essential for creating various types of charts and plots. Seaborn is a statistical data visualization library built on top of Matplotlib. It simplifies the process of creating attractive and informative statistical graphics. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library that provides simple and efficient tools for data analysis and modeling. It includes various algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. These libraries are just the tip of the iceberg in the Python data science ecosystem. As you delve deeper into the field, you may encounter other specialized libraries catering to specific needs. Keep exploring, experimenting, and building to enhance your data science skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT